Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for anyone relying on their TSC desktop barcode thermal label printers, the BRST AC-DC adapter. This isn't just any power supply. It's designed to be a robust and reliable lifeline for models like the TSC TTP245, TTP343, 99033A00200LF, TTP343C, and TTP245C+. If you own one of these workhorse printers, you know how crucial a consistent and safe power source is to keep your operations running smoothly. One of the standout features of this BRST adapter is its incredible versatility when it comes to input voltage. With a range of 100 to 240 VAC and 50-60 Hz, it's truly built for worldwide use. This means whether you're setting up your printer in North America, Europe, or anywhere else across the globe, this adapter is ready to plug in and power up without needing additional converters or worrying about voltage compatibility. That's a huge convenience, especially for businesses with international operations or individuals who travel. Safety is paramount when it comes to electronics, and BRST has clearly prioritized it with this adapter. It meets stringent safety standards, boasting FCC, CE, and RoHS certifications. These aren't just acronyms. They signify that the product has undergone rigorous testing and adheres to high benchmarks for electrical safety and environmental responsibility. Beyond certifications, the adapter incorporates multiple layers of protection to safeguard both itself and your valuable printer. We're talking about short-circuit protection, which prevents damage from unexpected electrical faults, over-voltage protection, shielding your device from power surges, and overheat protection, ensuring the adapter operates within safe temperature limits. These features provide immense peace of mind, knowing your equipment is protected from common electrical mishaps. The BRST adapter is specifically engineered as a direct replacement or spare for the original power supply cord, cable, PS battery charger, or mains PSU for the listed TSC printers. Its design is practical, featuring a wall mount type, which helps keep your workspace tidy and organized by keeping the adapter off the floor. It's important to remember, as with any specialized accessory, to double-check that your specific printer model matches those listed before making a purchase. This ensures perfect compatibility and optimal performance, avoiding any potential issues down the line. In essence, the BRST AC-DC adapter offers a compelling package of global compatibility, advanced safety features, and reliable power delivery, making it an indispensable component for maintaining the efficiency and longevity of your TSC thermal label printer. It's a smart investment for anyone looking for a dependable and secure power solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.